If today is the first time here, hello, nice to meet you. My name is Lena and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a very quick and simple, delicious peanut butter soup. And I'm very sure you're going to love this because it was so delicious. So without wasting much of your time, I'm just going to get straight to the point. So in a bowl, I have my fish in a seasoned water. Okay, sorry that it looks very yellowish. It got to a point that my husband was telling me that we need to change the bulb. Okay, so I'm going to bake that or put the fish in the oven. I have my peanut butter I made at home. I will add my tomato paste and then mix it very well. So after that, I will add water. I didn't add the water here for you to see because he was changing the bulb and I didn't want it off and on, off and on. So this is how it looks, and you can see now I have a perfect color. Okay, yes, it looks very natural. So after that, I will just leave it on fire and be stirring it so that it won't stick to the pan till I get some oil, because if you do not cook your peanut butter well, you may end up having a running tummy. Then aside that, I have my goat meat here. I will add my salted lamb, then add any protein that you want to add. Okay, yes. So before that, this is how our peanut is looking, and I will just add some water and leave it on fire for some time. If today is the first time here, hello, welcome to my channel, and please, if you are interested, do not hesitate to subscribe. So this is how our protein is looking, and I'm going to add my vegetables, that is scallions, tomatoes, onion, red bell pepper, carrot, turkey berries, Ogum series. This is turkey berries, okay? She knows what I'm talking about. And I've added my green bell pepper. That is my blended onion, ginger, garlic I've added. So I'm just going to add my seasoning and some herbs. Then I will leave this on fire on a very lower heat. After that, let's check on our peanut butter that we mixed with the water and the tomatoes. So this is how it is looking, and I'm just going to take all the oil from it, and I will tell you why. So now let's check on our vegetables and the proteins. The vegetable is now soft for us to blend, so I'm just going to blend it, and this is how our protein is looking. I'll be adding the rest of the protein later, so I'll go ahead and add my peanut butter and then add some water. So add any water of your choice depending on the thickness that you want. Okay, whether you want it light or thick, just do it the way you want it. So because I added some seasoning, we are not going to add any seasoning to the soup. Okay, yes, so this is our vegetables we've blended, and I still have some I'll be adding. I'll add it behind the scenes so that the video will not be long. So I've added it to it and I'm blending the rest. So our soup has been on fire for 30 minutes and this is how it looks. Okay, and I'm just going to add our fish, then I will add the next fish later. So after 10 minutes, our soup is almost ready, and I've added this fish is not strong and I don't want it to get accident. It should be strong, that's why I added it late. So I added the oil to later. When it was almost done, I added the oil, because when you use kwensuswa, that is the turkey berries or contombre or spinach for soup, and you want oil on top of it, I don't think that would be possible. Yes, if you use a lot of that cannot be possible. So that's why I removed the oil and added it later, or when it was almost done. So now our soup is ready, and we are going to enjoy this with our banku. Can you imagine? I couldn't eat this banku. I was sick, so I couldn't eat it. But see, now I am strong and I'm going to face the soup. The soup will beg me. That is just by the way it was nice. Oh my god. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Please do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe for more videos. Follow me on Facebook as well. Thank you and see you in the next one.